Is it Jake?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
That's a longbeard.
Hey.
Dude, when he went to drumming,
Freaking awesome, dude. Hey.
I told Jace, I said, when you see him, kill him.
I can't see him. Oh, that cedar limb was right in my way. And I had to like turn like this to...
Man. Oh, baby. Son, did you hear them two up there going nuts behind us? I wish we had someone else to take.
Oh, I know. Holy cow.
Dude.
He gobbled like a big bird.
He did. I need freaking full better, baby. Hey, right here. Way to shoot, boy. Smoked him. I didn't want to call because I knew that after last time I called, I knew he was coming closer. I kept telling Jace, I said, I can hear him spinning around.
How far? I couldn't see him in the field. How far was he?
Right here.
He was right there. Yeah.
I'm shaking all over. What do you think?
Well, what do you think?
It's pretty awesome.
Oh,
when I went scratching.
Oh, I smoked him.